So it is big head friendly, okay? Because I got a big head. Blue, we got a double unboxing. What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time stumbling across my videos, my name is Kia. Here I talk all things fashion, beauty, unboxing, mommy, hair. If that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. If you're interested in how I achieved this look, I'll be sure to link it up above. In today's video, we're doing a double unboxing. Yes, I got two goodies here that I want to share and unbox with you guys. So let's hop right into it. So let's start with this one. So here she is. My most favorite thing about this, up until now, this has been my first Fendi purchase, and I was super excited about the packaging. I'm a girl that loves good packaging. This was actually mailed to me directly from Fendi, so I love this little booklet, this Fendi. I think it's a key charm. I'm not sure. It's like cardboard, so it's nothing super sustainable, but I love this, and this packaging is so freaking cute. So let's unbox her. Okay, so this is her. Comment down below and let me know what you think it is. So this is the box, and then you just open it up like so, like that. And here, so I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. So this is like felt, and then it says Fendi. You unbox it. Then I take this off, and there they are. So here's one, and here's two. So I'm super excited because I purchased the small Fendi hoops. Oh man, I'll insert a video here showing you what they look like up close. These are the small Fendi hoops. Here is up close. I am so obsessed with these guys. And then here, this is the tag. So I haven't worn these yet. So these are fresh off the press. These are the gold color FS Fendi earrings. And I got them in the size small purposely. Okay, so here they are. I am super obsessed with these, and I'm so excited to be adding these literally to my everyday collection. I have these gold earrings that I gifted to myself a long time ago, so I'm glad to be incorporating these. These were the cutest little things ever, and for the price, I think they're priced appropriately. These earrings are not real gold, they are finished, but I'm super excited to have these. I did purchase the Louis Vuitton big hoop earrings, but those just weren't my vibe. You know, they just weren't my vibe. So I end up returning those, but I really did want some gold hoops, and I just really couldn't figure out which ones I wanted. So I went back and forth between this pair, and then I'll have the other pair up here. If you enjoyed the content, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'll have the other pair up here, but the thing that I didn't like about this pair is that they were multicolored. It was like gold on one and then silver on the other, and I'm all for mixing metals, but I want my earrings, if they're a pair, I want them to be a pair. So I opted into these, and I got the small ones just because I wanted it to be more of a casual, subtle look. I didn't want it to be like too bold or too in your face. So let's try it on and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, so cute. So cute. Yep. And then the Fendi, the F for Fendi sits like upside down. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but there it is. Oh, look how cute that is. Yes, and it's really comparable to the earrings that I already have. So I didn't want them to be, you know, I wanted it to be subtle. And I think these are super perfect. For these I paid $370. So I'm super excited about this. Comment down below and let me know if you have these. Comment down below and let me know if you have these, and just give me some idea of how they work for you. Yeah, I think the finish on them is good. They have a good weight to them. Like these have a good weight to them. One thing that I was super nervous about when I first got them is that I thought the clasp on the earring, I didn't think it was secure enough, but just like looking back at it, I think it is. I think it could be a little tighter, in my opinion, just so that I don't lose it, but they have a good weight to them for sure. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed, super obsessed with these. Yay! So I'm so excited to be adding these to my collection, and you guys know that this is a double unboxing, so these are definitely going to be a good addition to my collection for sure. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. If you enjoyed the content, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Moving over to the next unboxing. This was a gift and I was super excited when I got this. Very unexpected. So let's unbox her. More paper, and that's the inside. Here she is. See this? Drum roll, please. Here it is. Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. So, I have the Fendi Band 2. And the original monogram, which is their which is the original Fendi print. Super exciting. Oh, you guys, it feels amazing. The fabric is super oh, it's so luxury. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Yes. And it's really big. It's really big. I'm super excited to be adding this to my collection. So this is the woman's headband in the color tobacco, but it's in that original print. I don't know what the cost was, but I'll make sure to have the link to it listed down in the description box. So yeah, so this was a gift, and when I opened it, I literally couldn't, I almost fell, girl. I was like, I've been wanting this. You know how sometimes you just have stuff, you have an idea that you want something, but you don't want to necessarily get it until you've reached a certain goal, or you know, you're like, no, I don't need it. But when I got this, I was like, I've been wanting this so bad. Yeah, so when I got this, I was so excited. This is definitely something that was on my 2023 wish list, and I did not think it was going to happen. Just because I kept talking myself out of getting it, but I'm so glad, so excited to have had this. And I'm so excited to be adding it to my collection. You guys know I talk about it time and time again. I'm a headband girl, and this couldn't have come at a better time. So I'm going to put it on, and it has some good stretch on it. So it is big head friendly, okay? Because I got a big head. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I mean, this is not how I plan to wear it, but I'm just so excited. It doesn't feel heavy on my head. It doesn't feel like tight at all. It can cover your ears, girl. Just be prepared.
Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare right now to be sick of me.
Cause this is something you're gonna be seeing time and time and time and time again, okay? Because she's not to be played with. But yes, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And I've actually had this for quite some time now, so I'm super late with doing an unboxing and bringing it and showing it to you guys, but I don't need nothing else for the rest of the year. I don't need nothing else for the rest of the year. But I'm just super excited about this and to be adding it to my collection. So if you see me come on here with this headband on, in my business, okay? Cost per wear. I will be rocking this. This is my all-time favorite, and it's been on my wish list for so many years now, and I'm so excited about it. So if you enjoy the content, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know some things that you want to know about this headband. Comment down below if you want me to do a video on how I plan to style them. Yeah, so if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.